Welcome back. This is our special offering, Crypto Corner, and I have with me technical analyst, expert Umesh Sharma. Umesh, hi, thank you so much for joining us here at CNBC-TV18. You've been following technical charts for a very long time, but many people ask, this is a question that has been asked for a very long time, on whether or not technical analysis works with cryptos, because they're very, very volatile. So does it really work?
Definitely it's work, because we trades on price.
Right.
So price are same. So we follow technical analysis like RSI, indicators, support and resistance. We can use in crypto as well. So it works very well.
And does it give you an indication on that the crypto prices or the Bitcoin prices are going to rise from here or fall from here? Does it give a quick indication on that?
Yes, there are some indicators because crypto has a different nature and it's a one-sided market. If you find the good rally on technical by the help of technical charts, so you can earn good money.
All right. What is it that, as a time frame, that you would advise crypto traders to get into? Should you hold for a medium term, a longer term, 1 to 3 years, how longer than that? What is it that you advise?
If you're using technical charts and if you are a trader, so if you're an intraday trader, so you can use 5 minutes or 10 minutes charts. And if you are short-term traders, so you can use daily chart. And if you are long-term trader, so you can use weekly charts.
But what is the time frame that one can earn maximum profits in?
As about me, I'm using 5 minutes charts, and it's giving good returns because it's very much aggressive. So that's the only reason. So I made good money in intraday.
What is it that you would advise within cryptocurrencies to invest in? Is it going to be blue chips, or do you think some other altcoins also give equal kind of returns and are equally credible as well?
As about crypto market, so there's two currency like Ethereum and BTC. It's like a blue chip because it provides you stability, loyalty, trustworthy with the high liquidations. So you can consider as a blue chip. And there's some coins like Solana and Avi, and there's so much coins. So that is a sector analysis. Basically, that is a you can say that medium terms, and that will consider in 3 to 6 months. And some is coins like short term, that is a news-based coin and momentum. But I will advise as a beginner, you can avoid this.
All right. Also, what would you advise to have cryptocurrencies for a beginner to be part of your portfolio? Should it be 2%, 5%, 10%? What would you say?
I will say that 5 to 10%.
Okay.
Yes, that is a part of your portfolio.
And that is for beginners or people who have been investing for a long time?
For everyone.
All right. Umesh, also, this is a 24/7 market. It is awake at all times. So people who have their positions in cryptocurrencies, suddenly they wake up in the morning and the whole market has changed. What would you advise them, and what is a better way of safeguarding yourself?
If you're a trader and you have a positions, so you try to stick on your stop loss because it's 24/7. So there is no gap up, no gap down. So you can consider as a stop loss in your trading, and that is the best chance. This is the best way to trade in crypto.
Umesh, a lot of people also tend to equate or in some sense look at equities vis-a-vis the cryptocurrencies as well. There are so many asset classes, and cryptocurrencies are a very new kid on the block kind of a thing. How would you look at cryptocurrencies vis-a-vis, let's say, currencies or equities for that matter?
Crypto is young. It is in adoption phase. And there is a good chance to, invest in some new currencies. They will provide you high returns and high growth. But there is a correlation between equity and crypto, because equity gives you stability, long-term returns, compounding and dividend. Crypto provides high liquidity, high volume, high growth and high potentials.
So when you look at the overall market, for the Indians as well, it is going to be about very high taxes also, a 30% tax, an additional 4% of cess and sense of education, and then you have 1% TDS as well. In spite and despite of that, do you see India continuing to grow when it comes to cryptocurrencies?
Yeah, it's a growing phase. And if you talk about India, so India has a $120 billion crypto holding. With the 30% of tax, 1% of TDS, without government support and without any regulations.
So it is legal, but it is not regulated,
yes,
is how we have to look at crypto. How long have you been investing or looking at technical charts in cryptos?
I'm in this field since 2008, but in stock market. But I'm using technical charts in crypto last 1 year.
Also, when it comes to investing, as you said, it can be a 5 to 10% of your portfolios as well. But the good thing about cryptocurrencies is that you can invest really less, 100 to 200 rupees as well in sense of tokenization.
Yes.
How would you look at that? And would you say that is the reason more and more people want to be part of this?
Because there's multiple coins. So you can invest in 100, you can start with 100 rupees as well. But there's some blue chip coins. There's some, low price
There
coin.
are 17,000 coins.
17,000 coins.
Yeah.
So that's the only reason you have lots of option in crypto. So you can invest with the low amount.
So, Umesh, even as India is perhaps one of the fastest growing markets, we've seen more business actually come to Singapore and Dubai, and US, of course, seems to be leading it all. How far behind would you say will India take to catch up to these markets?
If we talk about India, so India is the #2 country in the crypto adoptions. So with the regulations, without any government support, and if we talk about Indians, so that's the money from the retail trader, not for big investor. So I think India is leading.
Of course, absolutely, Umesh. Thank you so much for joining in today and making sense of all things cryptocurrencies. So, well, yes, as Umesh tells us, cryptocurrencies absolutely do follow technical charts. So, if you are one of those, you can absolutely look at charts and start trading in cryptos. 5 to 10% of your portfolio can go to cryptocurrencies, and you can invest as low as 100 rupees when you are buying your favorite coin there. Umesh, thank you so much for taking time out for us today. And with that, it's break time. More on the markets on the other side of this break.
CNBC-TV18 presents Crypto Corner, powered by CoinDCX.